What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Barnbridge, which has pumped up nearly 24% in the last 24 hours, and as you can see it's currently trading at $4.86. So we're going to be going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it hit the $50 mark by the end of the year? And also looking at, is it now the right time to get into it, to buy it, or is it too late? Is it time to sell it, or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and looking at its prediction over the long run as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see guys, we are currently on the Coinbase website, and the market has just about been fluctuating over the last 24 hours. No major movements, and we can see here over the last 24 hours it has gained 24%, Barnbridge, and it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours on the Coinbase website. And also here in the last hour itself, it has dropped just over 2%, nearly 2% in value. We can see it peaked up to around $5.59 earlier this evening, and right now slowly starting to drop down in value. Over the week it is up 24%, and over the month a massive 38% up guys, with a major peak earlier today. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 1,220%, making it $47 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Barnbridge. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more people investing into the crypto, and a lot of sellers as well, selling their Barnbridge, taking out the profits and potentially reinvesting into the crypto when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Barnbridge, which is $3.83. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at $4.86, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue line is heading towards a negative direction, clearly looking bearish, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Barnbridge over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Barnbridge to more or less be trading between $4.50 to $5, somewhere in between there. It's going to be up and down. I'm expecting it to pump up to $5.50 as well over the coming hours, but again it's likely to drop back down to around $4.50, let's say by midday tomorrow. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Barnbridge over the coming days. So let's say by the end of next week, Barnbridge should be trading around just above the $6 mark is what my predictions are at the moment. Again, nothing major, no major increases. Yes, we are also likely to see red days where it's going to drop down in value, and green days where it's going to pump, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side, so do expect it to be trading just above the $6 mark. So again, it is going to be a very minimal increase in value over the coming days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Barnbridge over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March 2023. We should be seeing Barnbridge hitting $10 guys, just over the $10 mark. Again, $10 may seem like a lot at the moment. However, guys, if we think about it, in about if we give it 6 to 8 weeks, it should be able to hit the $10 mark without any hesitation. However, unless the crypto market goes for a major pump or a major crash or anything like that, this could have a potential major positive or negative impact, not just on Barnbridge, but on the crypto market as a whole. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, over the long run, it's looking quite good for Barnbridge, and for the short-term traders out there, I wouldn't recommend investing into it right now. Only reason is because I'm expecting it to drop down in value. So again, I'm not into crypto for the short term, but if you guys think that, you know, it's a good buy right now for the short term, then go for it. But personally, I don't think it is. And for the long term, I would wait for it to drop down in value before investing into it, guys, because as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to drop back down in value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, guys. We've got quite a bit to go to hit the green resistance target, which is $23. When am I expecting it to hit that? Potentially by mid-year. We should be heading towards the resistance target. In the second half of the year, we should be able to break out of this target here and head into the green zone, so potentially trade around $30 by the second half of the year. So Q3 or Q4 of 2023, we should be heading into the green zone and trading there, and hopefully break out from the green zone into the dark green zone towards the very end of the year. But again, that depends on the market conditions, how the crypto market performs, so on and so on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Barnbridge. I've seen a lot of comments on this crypto, a lot of positive and negative comments. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, what is the highest figure you guys predict Barnbridge to hit in 2023. Comment down below, guys. Is it $10, $20, $30, $50, whatever it is? Comment down below. Personally, guys, $30 to $35 towards the end of the year is what my predictions are. And again, yes, I did say $50 in the thumbnail. However, that we're gonna have to put it through to early next year, unless Barnbridge goes for a major partnership or a major deal that can have a potential positive impact. Then yes, we should be able to hit $50 this year. But again, we're gonna have to play it safe, and we're gonna have to give it a lot of time for it to go for a slow and steady increase. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Barnbridge. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why not do it for me? And yeah, I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.